Hello, today we are going to see how we can protect an Excel workbook, worksheet, also some cells. Also, we will see how we can remove the protection. So let's get started. I'm opening an Excel workbook. So Excel, I'm opening. So I'm taking a blank workbook. From here, I give some information like name, age, marital status, this information, and I save this one. So I'm saving Control S. Then as this is password related, so I am giving password protection tutorial, and I'm saving it in my desktop. So save. Now this one is saved. Now if we want to protect this workbook, what we need to do, we need to go to file, you need to go to info, then this protect workbook, so encrypt with the password. So I am giving one password 1234. Okay, again I am giving the password 1234. Okay, so now you see the color is changed. So now if I close, save, now if I try to open this file that I created, so I'm trying to open. So you see password is required, so I'm giving the password 1234. Okay, so this one, and now I can work. So later I will show you how we can remove the password. Before that, we are showing how we can protect the worksheet. So for protecting worksheet, you need to go to review, then this protect sheet. So now again you need to give the password 1234, for example. Okay, then again 1234. I'm pressing OK. So now if we want to type something here, another cell, so I cannot, because this is now password protected. So if I want to unprotect, what we need to do, we need to go to unprotect sheet, then we need to give the password 1234. So 1234. Now if I want to write something, I can write. So you understand this part. Now if I want to keep some cells unprotected and the rest of the sheet is protected, how we can do it? For example, these cells I want to keep unprotected and the remaining cells I want to keep protected. So first of all, I am marking it with yellow mark. For example, this part I will keep unprotected and the rest of the cells will be protected. So what do we need to do? We need to go to this font. From here we will go to protection, then we will uncheck this locked, then OK. After that we need to go to review again, then you need to protect the sheet. Protect the sheet like 1234. OK, again 1234. OK. Now you can see if I want to type something here, I cannot, because this one is protected, these cells are protected. But here if I want to write something like Hassan or age 25, this part we can write like married. So you can see this way we can work. So now if we want to unprotect this sheet, we can do it 1234. So here also you can write something 100. So this way you can do it. And if you want to unprotect the whole workbook, what you need to do, you need to go to this file, this info, then this one, you need to remove. So again, go, I'm saving. If you want to open this one, password, 1 2 3 4, so I am giving this one. After that, you will go to info, then here, and keep with password. So you just need to remove this one, you need to make it blank. So okay, now you see this color is gone. Now if you close this one, save, if you want to open this one, you can open and work, no password is required. So I hope you understand how to protect your workbook, worksheet, and some cells, also how to remove the protection. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.